Do you want to know how you can set the cost data uses on Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this special video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set cost data uses on Amazon Prime. Go ahead and open Prime Video, which is on your phone. Now, click on the profile which you see on the top left hand side of your corner or the top right hand side. After you click on your profile, go to settings and you can see there's option of stream and downloads. Tap on it and you can see cost data uses. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see there are three options: unlimited, balance and data saver. You can select the default data uses when costing. Data uses is optimized for layer television screens and uses more data than videos played on your mobile device. Changes made while a video is playing take effect within a few minutes. So you can see that it will only apply to Chromecast. So you can select unlimited, balance, data saver, and you can select your cost data uses on Amazon Prime. I hope this video about how you can set the cost data uses on Amazon Prime was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.